Ungasibeka phansi igosa sokuphanda kimi.
Isibeke phansi. Yeah.
Kale ngami.
Sale David. Angazi ngizoqala ngalaphi. Sanibonani nonke. And ngicela ukubingelela uNkulunkulu Mkhulu. Ngibingelele uprincipal ubaba uMagaya. Ngibingelele the honorable osambele namhlanje. Ngiphinde ngibingelele iSGB othisha bese ngibingelela no principal abakhona abasambele ngezwe kuthiwa khona principal abasuka ko Durban North, Mthwalume and so forth and so on. Bese ngiphingelela abantwana. Sanibonani bantwana? Ninjani? Ni right? Alright, hayi nathi siyajabula ukuba phakathi kwenu. Niyazi namhlanje sizeleni la? Okay, sizobuye sikhulumeke le. So I am uNtokozo kaNdlovu. Ekhaya originally I'm from Impendle, in the rural area of Impendle le kwesikazuma. So kodwa ke ngihambela lonke leli la kaMthaneni. I'm from an organization called the Web Foundation. So the Web Foundation is an NPO established in 2009. Ngangisemncane kakhulu ngiyiqala le organization with my fellow founders. Ngangisahlala eBloemfontein, so I've traveled. I've traveled ngakhulela le kahle kahle kodwa ngokuzala nje ngizalwe lapha ePendle. So I started this organization in 2009, the Web Foundation, as an NPO that will contribute ekwakheni umphakathi. So under the Web Foundation we have three pillars esisebenzisayo nje noma ayimgomo noma yinsika zethu esisebenzisayo. So we have one that touches on education, we have two that touches on arts, we have three that touches on sport. So we've identified these three pillars because we believe to bring about nation building and social cohesion, we need to forge and sakhe inhlelo ngaphansi kwalama pillars. And one of the pillars is Siyafunda Donate a Book, where we establish libraries in rural schools and township schools. So kuze kube namhlanje 2016 sesihambele iy'kole ezu-94 across the country in 9 provinces. We've donated more than 9 million books. So we believe in everything that we do in challenging, not changing, but challenging the status quo. We believe in thinking different, in changing the narrative. So we started then another project because sesihambele iy'kole ey'ningi la sihamba khona ye-computer literacy. Now and then othisha complain nge-computer literacy. And then we sat down as an organization ne-board yethu ukuthi there's this project Tobeta, we call it Project Tobeta. Tobeta in Sotho is Tofa, yeah. So the name was coined by another guy, was a Free State, who's part of our conversation, was a part of our organization, was it Project Tobeta. So it's a literacy advocacy organization that wants to, that wants to integrate information communication ey'koleni. Sifundisa abantwana bakithi ama-computer. Just the basic skills from our primary, because that's where our most point. So we want also to bridge the digital divide that exists between the urban schools and rural schools through the computer literacy. So our aim is to teach abantwana bethu the skills of the 21st century, the 4IR. That will also not only open the educational opportunities, but socially, because we live amongst each other and manje sesixhumana abantu sebeshele intombi bele South Africa bayishele phesheya. So that's socially and economically. People can trade using ama-computer online services. Abanye bala they are millionaires and billionaires because of akakaza emsebenzini mene-Wi-Fi nje uqedile endlini. That's it. So there are a lot of opportunities that we want to expand on, and sifisa ukuthi-ke nothisha la ey'koleni babafundise abantwana all that. So as I was saying, so far through Project Dobeta we've done 10 schools with computer literacy. We established library, e-libraries. So we've donated more than 100 computers, and there's still more computers and more schools that we want to siqhubeke siyekuzona, especially nala KwaZulu Natal, because abantu bayacomplain uma ngabe sengihamba kakhulu ukuthi sengiya koLimpopo and manje lekhaya, why are you leaving us behind? But there are a lot of factors that makes us want to choose ezinye iy'kole ezisendaweni ezahlukene. So sengizovala, I'm not going to be long because we believe umsebenzi wethu kulapha enzansi eklasini. Umsebenzi wethu ekumele siwenze kakhulu, obaluleke kakhulu wethu. Asikhulumi kakhulu, but we want to do the work first, do the hard work first. So I work with different stakeholders. So njoba ngila ngaphansi kwakhe uNdunankulu, ngiphethwe la uNdunankulu wethu lo, ngaphansi kwakhe kukhona umdidiyeli uGobizizwe Makhaya, naye ubefisa ukuba khona la ngaphansi komhlabuhlangene ibutho lensizwa lapha eMpumpulu. Ngithemba mhlambe niyalazi nonke. So ngihamba nobaba la omele umhlabuhlangene, ubaba uGumede, naye uzofika athi qaphu ngomsebenzi womhlabuhlangene owenzayo emphakathini. And again I have our sort of, she's more like my mother now, Mrs. Rashida Khan, who flew from Joburg to come and experience this occasion, and she's gonna fly again after this event. So she's been with us for the past, I don't know how many years, for the past 6-7 years we've been working together in schools in Gauteng as well as in KZN. So I would just want to give her an opportunity to just say a few words, and after that will be Ubaba Gumede on behalf of Umhlabuhlangene, and ngicabanga ukuthi emva kwalokho ndabezitha we can go down so that we can see lento esikhuluma ngayo size ngayo lekhaya, and ngoba kuyashisa nokushisa manje abantu mhlambe ke bakhululeke mesisicela. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu. You may come through.
Love reading, and I believe in reading and literacy, and to bring that to our children, which is the most important thing for me. So I don't want to take up more of your time. I know that the kids are tired and they are hot, and I know that everybody here has played a very, very important role. So I want to thank you all, and I want to thank Ntokozo for being my partner in making sure that we reach as many children as possible and bring the gift of reading to as many children as possible, as many schools as possible. I also want to thank the school governing body, the parents, the teachers. I've been to many, many schools throughout my career. From the time I've started working, I've been to many schools all over the country, in every province, whether they township schools or rural schools, and I can always tell a good school as soon as I walk in it. You can tell by the way the school is presented. There's no litter, and you are amazed by that, because when you go to some schools you see it. You can tell by the way the children are kitted out in their full uniform, and they're proud and they present themselves so well and proudly, and I loved all of the presentations by you all. Thank you so much. And please guys, if I can say anything to you, few things I want to say is, I believe in you, so you believe in yourself. I believe in you, I believe that you will be able to do anything that you want to in this world. Remember to always read. Always have a book in your bag, because you never know when you have those few minutes that you can read. So, please make sure you're always reading, because remember, readers are leaders. I believe in you, and I believe in the future of our country, because I believe that you will be the leaders in the future. So thank you very much. All the best to you guys. Grab the opportunity with both hands. Read all your books. Make sure you get time on the computer. I know it's a big school and I know it's few computers, but I'm sure the teachers are going to make sure that each one of you get time on the computers. Make the most of this opportunity, guys. Grab it with both hands, run towards it, and remember, sharing is caring. So make sure that you have time to give time to your friends as well. All the best to you, and I know when we're back in a year or two, we're going to see even more amazing things from this wonderful school. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sanibona ngibingelele ngiqala ngokubingelela undunankulu wethu nobaba uDuma ngibingelele nosihlalo bonke abakhona ngibingelele nothisha omkhulu nothisha bonke abakhona nezingane zonke ezikhona lapha esikoleni mina ngikhuluma ngaphansi kwenkulumo kaMhlabuhlangene ezizweni zakamakhanya nasezizweni sonke sasembumbulu nomhlaba wonke ojule kakhulu ngokwakha izingane ezisakhulayo nezinsizwe ezikhona ukuthi kungabi khona ububha endaweni ukuze sihlale kahle sonke ngokuthula kungabi khona ukucwasana ukuthi wena usukaphi wakuliphi indawo siyabahlanganisa bonke abantu nezingane ikhule zazi ukuthi imvelaphi yazo iphi la ikhona kunezikole eziningi kakhulu esesinezingane zazo la eziphase futhi ngezinga elihle kakhulu ekumatekuletsheni ezabafana esihamba nazo ezihlonipha ngalendlela eyisimanga so njengoba sesize safika la nathi sizokwakha kona nasezikole ezingane nomfowethu uGatsheni lo khona esihamba naye ukuthi ake begcile kakhulu ezikole ezingane ifundiswe kakhulu izingane ikwazi ukuthola ama-computer ithona zonke izinto nama-sponsors ukuze izingane zethu zifunde zibe nempumelelo enhle eyaphambili singajahi kuyey'koleni zabelungu nasekwakho nemali ezinkulu sibe sishiya iy'kole zethu zizinhle ezinye sezavalwe ngabe siyayivula sivula namathuba omsebenzi ezandla ngey'ngane zethu ey'khula zibe zenza nemisebenzi ezandla nayo yonke into ziyaqamba ziyafika seyifuna nemisebenzi eyizoyenza ziqasheke kalula kodwa iy'kole zethu ey'ningi zivaliwe ngicabanga ukuthi yanondunankulu ukhona naye la uzowayibheke nazo zonke lezo y'kole ngeke mhlawumbe ikwazi ukuvula zenza amathuba omsebenzi ezandla njenganey'kole zabelungu ingane yomlungu ithi mayiphuma nje esikoleni iphase suke siyazi ukuthi isinesitifiketi esiwukuthi ngabe sokwakha sokupheka into ey'ningi ezenziwayo ngezandla ngiyacela ukuthi sikwazi ukuzenza lokho so iy'ngane lezi-ke siyayikhuthaza ukuthi zikhule zibe amadoda zibe omama amantombazane zazi ukuthi inhlonipho isuka ekhaya ngoba ingane nayo ilanje esikoleni kodwa ekhaya mayingekho inhlonipho ngeke ukufunda ngendlela eright ngoba izofika kube ngathi esikoleni iyahlumazeka kanti mhlawumbe ekhaya iyatotoswa lokho iphathwa ngaleya ndlela ephathwa ngayo esikoleni iyafika bese ithola ushintsho kubalulekile nathi bazali ukuthi ingane siyifundise emakhaya ukuthi ubuye esikoleni uyokwenzani nama ufike ekhaya ufuna yikuphi engakusiza ngakho ukuze nothisha kungabi nzima kuyena ukufundisa ingane athi noma iphindise emuva ekhaya ethi-ke ufuna bakutshele ekutani bakwenzele homework kutani bayenzise kahle indlela noma phela into zamanje sezinzima zibe zibelukhulu ukuthi uyibamba isafana into zakuqala ngibonga la kuMhlabuhlangene sinethuba lokuthi sesikhethe ukuthi sihambele indawo zikahulumeni mhlawumbe manithi nje ungena ku-YouTube niyothola lapho ku-YouTube uMhlabuhlangene ophethe yonke into ehlangene ngamabutho siyakwazi ukuthi sisize mhlawumbe la sibona khona ukuthi kuney'nkinga ey'khona mhlawumbe sifike sikline senza yonke into sinazo iy'ngane zesikole ey'suke zikhona phakathi kwethu ukuze zazi ukuthi into yomphakathi kahulumeni eyomphakathi ifanele siyibheke sonke kungashiwo ukuthi hayi into kahulumeni uhulumeni uyobuya ayithenge lento ayibuyisele noma bangayivandalaza kwenze ngayiphi indlela sizama ukufana zonke lezo zinto isema-police station isemaklinikhi isey'koleni njengembumbulu sasikwenzile lokho saklina senza zonke izinto bajabula kwanje abathi hayi bawubonga uMhlabuhlangene uyayazi into oyenzayo awudingi ngokubhinga nje kuphela uhamba amatete wenza ubuhle wabantu uma beshada lapha nalapha ngokwemvelaphi yesintu sakaZulu poverty
from poverty
to prosperity,
to prosperity,
provided
provided
they pay the price
they pay the price
for prosperity.
for prosperity.
Angazi noma niyizwa le.
Yes.
Niyizwa? Right. Another thing yokugcina ke ngifuna nisale nayo. Stakeholders, teachers, abaphathi, honorable sir. Vision excites people. Right? Vision excites people. Mina, just a quick short story. Ngafika kanye esikoleni once and I didn't even stay for 45 minutes. Maybe plus minus 30 minutes I was here. But I was inspired. I was excited because of a vision that Babundos. I was inspired. I didn't even think twice to say Siabuya Landos, Nama computer prepared. And give me a date. That was it. I didn't even think, we didn't have to have a meeting, a say parliament, the honorable so discuss, so how should we now, how are we going to embark on this thing, you know. Do not put a see and a country, so discuss and then to come. We didn't have to, because we know what we want, and the vision excited us. His vision for the school, we see it. It's not something that no. This is what I'm doing, this is what I want, and this is how we're going to do it. Done. And then I've said, we are in. Give us a date. We put an incense in that. That was it. So hence we are here today. And Nami, I was moved, and I'm still moved today because by the way, these computers are from University of Northwest. So we work with a lot of stakeholders. So they were donated. It's about 40 computers that we have. So I said, guys, the guys that are in Pretoria, bring 10 or 12. I need them. Yeah. Please make sure they are properly, they are working. I need them here. That was in November, December. We had to work through December to make sure today we are here. We are presenting these computers. And they are fully functioning, they are fully working. Yonking their servants. So vision excites people. So wherever you are in all areas of your life, ensure when you explain to someone about your vision, it must excite him, it must inspire him. Just on the spot.
So, Mr. Ndlovu, over to you. Then we'll take it from there. Can we all listen to Mr. Ndlovu, please? Please come inside. Can you give him a chance? Thank you very much. Over to you, Mr. Ndlovu.
Right, I would love to take this opportunity to officially hand over these computers to Ebupileni Primary School. As you can see, these computers are fully functional, fully working, they've been serviced, new applications were installed on them, shortage internet connection. So again, we call on our stakeholders to say take internet connection for the purpose of research for Abantwana and to experience the internet. So currently, I was amazed. So they will just go through that drill, opening the Word document, writing their names, saving it, and going through other applications. So la close to 1,000 children's books. We've got all the other applications, we've got movies there. So there'll be time where kids want to have fun in library and they will watch a movie. So say APK so for anything that's maybe projects and something like that. So as you can see, security, we're trying to beef the security up. The guys, I think they will come during the course of the week or next week to come and so that ama-computer wethu abe safe, and it's our responsibility as stakeholders, as parents, as teachers, to make sure that these are safe from ebantwaneni, from emphakathini, and at large. So ngiyabona sebeyadlala abantwana lana, so ngicela siphumeni ke siqaleni phansi singene ku-word document, right? Sizwana? Right. Asenzeni sonke, asenzeni sonke.
Sekupheleni.
Right. So Puma ke creative folder. I hope bese ngeke nathi ukuba sangithi. Creative folder yakho leso sevela yona. Okay. Okay, let's open the word document. Let's put any word document. You write your name and surname. Type out ubhale igama lakho nesibongo sakho. Right. Asiphalele igama nesibongo bese uyama igama lakho lesibongo Impho Kwanele Sambulo Mnqobi Siyamthanda Melusi Aminati Lenze njani Saset. Okay, Nipinda le honorable. I think it's a sister kakhulu lapha. Si neglect la library send the computer yalo la. Alone, stand alone. Yes. For now I think we will use that as for internet connectivity only. The rest up until babe right bazosebenzisa nje lawo without the connectivity. Up until we have huge internet.
Asa. Yes.
Mlweni. Sibuza utata undunankulu. Because of time, I will just say all protocol observed. I think sizokala ngokuthi sibuyisane no principal in the school, because it looks like there is umsebenzi uprincipal awenzayo ukuthi out of zonke kule area ibe nguye ukuthi we are willing to donate for wena. And ngengoku into endihluphe ngayo is that usebenzisa thina because nihleli nisithuka nisithi siyalala ebusuku. Now andazolala kanjani kukhona the precious cargo ekufuneke siyigadile ngoku. I was even saying with warranty, I think ngoku I'm gonna sit with the station commander and ask that kube khona i-register esizoyenza for all the schools, because it has come to our attention that izikolo ezininzi ziyagqekezelwa, especially ebusuku. Emini it's not a problem, but ebusuku. So what we will do is we're gonna have i-register ezoshua ku-security for all the schools, so that all the shift can be accountable. We do visit the school, so that I can go and check I didn't see any visits, so that I can account why is shift ethile inga visit. That is the commitment I am making not personal. I'm gonna deliver the register esikolweni nakwezinye izikolo, and that siyacela even kubahlali especially omeza aba close by akwazi ukuthi esikolweni, because we've noticed that basebenzisa i-crowbar noko kuyavakala ugudugudu xa kungona ubona ilight ingena esikolweni, you know principal can't be at school at this time, you know SGP can't. It is ubana sihlaba ikhwelo ke then komeza ukuthi make a call tina anytime our door is open, and that uprincipal now that sekena le nto anayo, our door is open to say anything he needs, because now we are building and siyabela because unceda thina ke ngosingabazali bantwana bethu sibathetha sibasedolophini because we want these things. Ufike nathi we are just constables, sithatha abantwana sibasa kwizikolo ezisedolophini, if zisiminxe apha uyafike siye sizovula icase, ufika xa kwezi malume xa kwezi fees zomntana ndiyagrava. So it susa umsebenzi. It's not only for unceda abantwana, and I was even thinking that principal might not understand that this is not one of their goals for 2026 that they've ticked to go, okay, we've had the library. This is an investment, not only for abantwana, even for abantwana aba future. Oh, Miss Tusi, we want to see abanye oh Miss Tusi next time besiza nabo bezothi, okay, now ngoku sesivula this other big thing. And if you can sit, I've had a privilege of sitting with principal. If you can listen to ideas that we uza nazo, I think it is only fair that everyone that is here today take it upon themselves ukuthi we're gonna support e-vision yezisikolo. Thank you.
Bakuphilisa ngicela uzo